In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a video to your Odoo website. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First things first, let's get started by navigating to the home page of your Odoo account. This is where we'll begin creating our amazing video section. Once you're logged in to your Odoo dashboard, look around for that familiar home screen. Now, take a moment to locate your website section. This usually involves clicking on a button that says Website or something similar on your home page. When you find it, you will see an Edit button in the top left corner. Go ahead and click on that, as it's essential for making any changes to your site. Now that you're in editing mode, let's look for the block column, which is typically found on the top left of your screen. In this section, you should easily find a specific area designated for videos. This is where the magic happens. All you need to do is drag and drop this video section into place wherever you would like your video to sit on your web page. Once you've positioned the video section, Odoo will prompt you to enter your video URL or embed code. This is where you can add that captivating video you've been wanting to showcase. Simply paste your video link or embed code right there in the provided space. It's really straightforward. Next up, you'll want to set your preferences for the video. This step is crucial because it allows you to customize how the video appears on your website. After adjusting your preferences to your liking, remember to click on the Add button to confirm your selection. This ensures that your video settings are saved as you continue enhancing your website. Now, once your video has been added successfully, it's time for one of the most important steps in the whole process. You have to save your changes. Look for a Save button, usually located somewhere prominently on the interface. Click it to ensure that all the fantastic improvements you've made to your website are now live and available for your visitors. And there you go. That's how you add a video to your Odoo website from start to finish. It's an incredibly simple process, and once you've done it, you can incorporate more media into your site to engage your audience even more effectively. I hope this video has been helpful for you in learning this valuable skill. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to drop your comments below, and I'll be happy to help out. Thanks for tuning in, and remember to subscribe for more tips and tricks on making the most of your Odoo experience.